How to design poster on Canva, making Canva poster tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own poster using Canva. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you are new to Canva, firstly you need to open canva.com and then you need to create an account. In the right top corner right up here you'll have the option to log in or to sign up. So if you have Google account, you can easily continue with Google and it will be easy for you to create an account like this. So after that, we'll open this page. As you can see in the left side, we can find home, project, templates, brand hub and apps. We'll start from home page. So if you are not on home, click on home. So on this page we have a lot of different things we can do, but what is interesting is this area you might want to try. And as you can see, we have a lot of templates here like resume, infographic, presentation, and we can even scroll to the left side, scroll to the right side. And if we'll scroll to the right side, we can find that we have like a lot of different poster tutorials, poster templates here. So we'll start from creating it with template, but you can also create it by your own. I will show you step by step the process, so let's get started. In order to do this, we need to click on create a blank here on poster, and we'll move to like editing page. As you can see now we have like blank, like totally free, totally empty poster here, so we can start to create it from scratch, but I will show you how we can use templates. In the left side menu we have like design, elements, brand hub, uploads, text, draw, project and apps. We need to click on design right up here and go to templates. As you can see, we can search for templates, so here we need to write like poster, so like this. After that, we'll find a lot of different templates here. So as you can see, there are a lot of them. Almost all of them are free, but some of them are only for upgrade plans. So if you'll see the crown near the poster, for example, like this, it means that this template is only for paid plan. I'll tell about them a little bit later, but in order to use this template, you'll have to pay. Yeah, so the next step we need to do is just to find the necessary like poster we need to use. For example, let us use, for example, this poster. So in order to use it to like open, we need to click on this poster right up here. And as you can see, now it was successfully opened like in our design right up here. So what can we do with this template? Basically everything. It means that we can edit every single part of this project. So for example, we can just click on this figure right up here and we can click on color and choose any color we need to use. So if you want to customize your own like poster, you can use any single feature we can just change. So for example, we can change every figure to like blue color. So after that, I'd like to also change the images here. So I'll delete it from here and go to elements in the left side menu, and I will just search for clothes to find some clothes, for example this, and I'd like just only move it, try to move, and we can try to resize it for the necessary parts, for example here. Or what is more interesting, I guess, we can just use this feature like these graphics and move it right up here. So let's also change this thing. For example, let's try to use these jeans instead. Yeah, so now it was a little bit customized. I'd like to also change the color from here to maybe to this color, I guess. And also let's change this graph to maybe this one. It looks really good, by the way. It looks really interesting. So after that, we need to like change some text here. We can click on any single part of the text and change it like to clothes, for example, clothes. And only on this week, only on this like, I don't know, month. Let's change it to month. We can also change like the size of the text to make it like fit this rectangle or something like this. So sometimes it could be really helpful. Let's change this graph smile to the another one, for example, to like smile. Try to change it for this one, for example. Yeah. So we can try to export it now. We just need to click on share, click on download, and then just change the format here. I'd like to use like JPG. So I'll just click, and as you can see, sometimes there is like features. If you're using free plan, there will be like option that you can't download because you're using some of like premium content. For example, these like shapes or some other stuff are only for the paid plans. So in order to be like able to export it, you have two options: or you need to delete these features, or you need to buy the paid plan. So if you click on try Canva Pro, we'll move to another page with pricing to this one. And as you can see, we have like 3 different plans here, like Canva Free, Canva Pro, and Canva for Teams. If you have like basic without any paying, you'll use like Canva Free. As you can see, there are a lot of different features also. So drag and drop editor for easy customization like this. 215,000 free templates, like 100 plus design types, 1 million free photos and graphics, so we can invite other to design and work with. Wide range of printable products to design and get delivered to your door, and 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. But if you'll pay, we'll have much more. So 100 plus million premium stock photos, videos, audios, and graphics, which is pretty cool, pretty amazing. So all of these things will be available for us, like unlimited features, folders, and premium content. 610,000 premium and free templates with new design daily. Establish your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and so on. Huge color storage, 24/7 customer support, and so on. Schedule social media content for 8 platforms, removing background. So if you're interested in working with Canva, I suggest you to use like Canva Pro. So if you need to create, for example, posters every single day or do some other stuff, because as you can see, it provides us a lot of different templates. So also we can create everything from scratch. We can even edit videos here. So if you're interested in working with Canva like every single day, it will be better for you to use like paid version instead of free, because honestly in free version you have the opportunities, but if you have paid, it will be like much easier for you to deal with Canva, because nowadays it's like more paid content here. So basically that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye.